it's Teacher Paige. It's time for Oh My Stars! Let's go! I wanted to do a video about how to play Draw Your Own Star. This can be found in my Teachers Pay Teachers store for free. It comes with 5 different giant stars. They're really big so that you can draw on them. It comes with a variety of ideas of things that you can draw. So when you play Draw Your Own Star, you could do stuff that's in the lesson that you already have in mind. You could do, draw with your eyes closed, which might be even harder because your space is so much smaller. You could do draw what the student wants, or you can put all of these. I like to put the ideas in a hat and keep them in there, and we'll draw one randomly. If there's some ideas that you have, you can write them on the blank stars. There are some blank stars that you can write your own ideas down, maybe stuff that goes along with the lesson. I also have specific ideas. The yellow stars all have specific ideas of things that you can draw, like pizza, hamburger, sofa. So you would actually draw that on the star. And then the purple stars have more abstract ideas so that you can be a little bit more creative, like draw something green, draw something rectangular, draw something yummy, okay? And so you can have them ready, you can have them in the bucket, however you want to do it. And so the way that I do this, I start with my star stuck on my whiteboard. Then we draw, from the bucket. Oh, what are we going to draw? Something yummy. And so then we draw. Ice cream. Okay. And then I take the star off of the board. I hang it behind me on my bigger board here until, we filled up the whole thing with the stars that we've made. Draw a star is super fun because you can make the star be whatever you want. I printed them on cardstock so that they would be a little sturdier to draw on, and then laminated them, so that I can erase to draw. Draw another day. Have fun drawing and using stars. Bye. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at ohmystars. If you have any questions about how to use stars in your classroom, be sure to drop a comment below so I can help you out. Thanks for dropping in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when I post new videos. Happy teaching! Thanks for watching!